Today we're going to be unboxing the Crosse Technology Wi-Fi projection weather clock station and clock. This clock has a USB charging port, shows the weather conditions of the house, so it shows the humidity and temperature. It has a projection, so it shows the time on your ceiling. It has a nap timer, and you can also check. You can also remotely control your clock through your phone. Oh, I also forgot to mention that it has a weather service that is being used by Crosse Weather.
Tons of accessory to buy for the clock if you want. How to set it up.
And here's the actual clock itself.
USB charger. USB charger. That's where this gonna go.
The power supply.
That's where the battery is, a backup battery. Legs. Oh. Why do we need those legs? That's where the batteries. Let's see. What kind of batteries fits? Okay. Okay, battery's gonna work now.
Alright, so now we're connecting it. And look at that. Amazing. And then here it is.
So it's flashing, looking for Wi-Fi.
So I'm pretty sure we need the app to connect it to Wi-Fi. But right now, I think it's January 1st of last year, and it's midnight, so it's already New Year's Eve.
You sure it's 2018? Maybe it's 1818?
I don't know.
Or maybe 2018? 2918?
1918?
So is it connected?
I don't think so. It's connected to Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Alright, so we will now show you what the projection looks like. So right here, as you can see, it shows the time for 5:50 p.m.
And you can turn it here to.
You can rotate. Yeah. You can rotate the projection around like this. It's rotating. And you can also change the information that shows on the projection. So first the time.
You press the button here, it says projection. There you go, on the wall. Shows
you can change it to the temperature and humidity.
Outdoor. And that's outdoor, 28 degree. And it shows you're connected by Wi-Fi.
So we will show you how to change the light of the projection. So you could turn it to medium, low, or just completely turn it off. Or you could click it again to turn it back on to maximum light. Once we connect it to Wi-Fi, which shows right here, it shows us the forecast, which is serviced by AccuWeather. It shows the temperature, and the highest will be 30 degrees, and the lowest will be 13 degrees today. Then,
Celsius.
and it'll show the temperature that's inside the house right now. But since we have a window open, it thinks it's 30 degrees. And the humidity is right now 49%. And it shows 30-minute nap time. And then as you can see on the top, there's also the time and the date.